Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. If somebody needs some help, this evidently is called a gusset. I had no clue. This is the front panel, like of a briefcase or attaché. They need to know the circumference when they draw it out of this front panel. I just kind of reduplicated the front panel. It's a rectangle with rounded corners, so you need to go to Object and convert it to a curve first for this to work. Then go to Windows, Dockers, Properties, and because it's a curve, this signal will come up, and the circumference of that curve is 31, 121.19. I always kind of questioned that, how accurate that was, but here's a little test. Let's take a 1 inch by 1 inch rectangle or square, and let's put it into our curve, and then take the virtual segment delete key and delete that line, and then delete our box. Now, how long is this line? A while ago it was 33.21. Let's look at it now. It is 32.2119. So it took out that inch of that curve, so it's dead on accuracy. I'm hoping that was the question he was wanting. I guess when they know the circumference, they know how far to build these, how long to build the gussets. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.